Okay, let's look at question number 4 of the PO paper. So this is the binomial expansion question. So first we have to write the binomial expansion of this in ascending powers of x. Right, let's write it out. X plus 1 over x to the n. So this is what? X to the n plus nc1 x to the n minus 1 times 1 over x plus nc2 x to the n minus 2 1 over x square plus ncr, the general term, x to the n minus r 1 over x to the r plus final term would be what? 1 over x to the n. Right, let's simplify this quickly. The powers x to the n plus nc1 x to the n minus 2 plus nc2 x to the n minus 4 plus the main term we are looking at is the general term ncr x to the n minus 2r. That's the general term. So for the rest of the question, that is what is important to us. X to the minus n, right? So that is the expansion. Right, now we have to use that, and we'll use the general term. Let me write the general term. General term was this one, that is tr plus 1. So that is what? ncr x to the n minus 2r, right? Okay, then we wrote the expansion. Now find the x squared coefficient, and we have to show it's 231 of this expansion. So let's write this out. Right, expand the bracket, square it, so you will get what? You will get x plus 1 over x to the 10th power 2 times x plus 1 over x to the 5th plus x squared. Right, that is this expansion. That is this thing expanded. Then we have to find the x squared terms. Right, so this is the first x squared term. So the coefficient from that is 1. Then let's look at this one. So we know this has this form, no? So then the general term of that is this one. So we want x squared term. So this one is what? 10th power, no? So I have to put 10 here. 10cr 10 minus 2r, right? So I want square power. So what r should I put here to get square? R should be what? R should be 4. Then 2r is 8. To 10 minus 8 is 2. So x squared term has what? 10c4 coefficient then. So the x squared term would be like this, 10c4 x squared. So the coefficient is 10c4. So the x squared coefficient from this one is 10c4. Then let's look at this expansion. This one. So now in this one, which one should you find? The coefficient of x, because 2x multiplied by that gives you the x squared term. So now the power is 5, n is 5. So put 5 here, 5 here. So 5cr, 5 minus 2r, that's the general term. And I want x here. I want my power to be x. So that means r has to be what? R has to be 2. Then 5 minus 4 gives you 1. So from here you get what? 5c 2x. Then that has to be multiplied by that outside 2x. that will create the x squared term, which is what? 2 times 5c2 x squared. So the coefficient from that one is this part. So now we have all three coefficients. Now add them. So then x squared coefficient is what? 10c4, that is from the first one. Then next second one you get 2 times 5c2 plus 1 from the last one. So then simplify 10 factorial over 6 factorial times 4 factorial plus 2 5 factorial 3 factorial over 2 factorial plus 1. So simplify, you get what? 10 9 8 7 4 3 2 here. This one simplifies into what? 5 over 4 20 here 1. Now this one I can cancel like this. So 210 plus 20 plus 1, right? That is what we want, 231. So that is question number 4, right? Next we'll look at question number 3.